Welcome to Team Roar. I am Jessica Myers, the founder of Team Roar, and if you're watching this video, that means you are one of my personally sponsored coaches or a brand new coach in my downline. We're very excited to have you here, and today I wanted to give you some very first steps to help you get started. I know you're feeling really overwhelmed right now. Maybe you're trying to get some things rolling, getting some people started on these products that maybe you're already loving and seeing really great results on, and you're like, I don't even know what to do. Let me tell you, here is where to start. Very first steps to get you started today. Very first thing, make sure that you've had a Get Starting Right call with your upline coach. What this is kind of a call to give you some information, some basic things to get the ball rolling, as well as this video, but make sure you have that call with your coach. The next thing is go check out the video that I made about checking out your online office. What this is basically your business hub online. It shows you your sales, it shows you breaking news, it shows you every information that you need to know about this business, and it also has some really great training in there. So make sure and check out the video of how to navigate that page and how to get some of the basic things done in there. The third thing is we really hope that you will be an active member in our Facebook page. We have a Team Roar page in there where we have lots of files with some scripts and some tips and things to get your business going. We also, it's an open page just for team members to make sure and ask questions if they have anything that they need help with or something exciting they want to share, anything like that. That's what the page is there for. We really hope that you'll be an active member in that. The third thing is we have team calls every single Sunday night at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. You can adjust that to whatever time zone you're in. What these calls are, they last maybe 30 to 40 minutes, and we talk about the breaking news, what's new in Beachbody world, maybe have a question answer session if any of the team members have anything they want to bring up. And then usually I share some kind of specific topic to help grow your business. So make sure and tune in on those every single Sunday. If we can't make it, we totally understand, but we really hope that you will, because this will help your business. And the other call that you definitely want to try and listen in on is the National Wake Up Call every single Monday morning. This is at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time, and there's a phone number that you just call in, and it's you just listen on your phone. And if you can't make it at the specified time, then you can definitely call in, listen to the recording, or they'll put the link in your online office later on in the day, so you can click on the link and listen to the recording there as well. The next thing is we want to make sure that you're involved in our coach training that we have here on Facebook. What the coach training is the self-paced training that we have to help give you some of the guidelines of how to get started right, how to get your business going, and take that at your leisure. It's not a race, but the quicker you learn, the quicker you're going to grow, and the quicker you're going to reach that goals that you want to reach and why you signed up for this business. And to go along with that, along with your training, make sure that you're using the products. So make sure that you're drinking your Shakeology every day. Make sure you're getting your workout in, whatever program you've picked. And to go along with that, make sure and share what you're doing on social media. That's how people become attracted to you, is sharing what you're doing. You don't have to post anything like, hey, come join this, I just signed up for this. But just show people what you're doing. If you already have some really great results, share that. Share that every single week. I hope you took before pictures, and even if you just started using some of the products, share even little things that you're doing. That's how people become attracted to what you're doing and want to join in. When they're seeing you get results, then they want to join in and get their own results. So I hope that you do not feel completely overwhelmed. If you do, it's totally normal. I felt the same way, as did many of the other coaches on the team, but we're here to help you. We're here to guide you. No question is too dumb. No question is too small. Feel free to ask if you can't find the answer, and we'll be definitely there to help you. So thank you so much for being a part of the team, and we're really excited to get to know you more. And again, feel free to ask if you have any questions.